Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayindar. Today I am going to explain part 2 of Introduction to Embedded System. Learning outcomes of this topic are different architecture of microcontroller and features of microcontroller. This diagram shows architectures of microcontroller. It has Harvard architecture and von Neumann architecture. In Harvard architecture, processor has separate program memory and data memory, where in case of von Neumann architecture, processor has common program memory and data memory. Let's see the difference between the Harvard and von Neumann architecture. In case of Harvard architecture, processor has different program memory and data memory, and therefore there are no chances for accidental corruption of program and data. Harvard architecture uses separate buses for instruction and data fetching. Hence, the pipeline gets easier and the system performance is enhanced. Cost of Harvard architecture is high. Generally, PIC microcontroller refers Harvard architecture. Von Neumann architecture has separate program memory. Von Neumann architecture in this processor has common program memory and data memory, so that there are lots of chances for accidental corruption of program. Single bus is used for instruction and data fetching. Performance is low and the cost of this architecture is cheaper. Let's see the features of 89C51 microcontroller. So all of you are familiar with 89C51 microcontroller. So it belongs to MCS51 family. It has 8-bit data bus, 4 kilobytes of on-chip reprogrammable flash memory, 16-bit of address bus and 64 kilobytes of RAM. It has on-chip RAM of 128 bytes of data memory. It has one UART programmable serial port. It has 6 interrupt source. It has 2 multimode 16-bit timers. It supports the 2-level interrupts priority and it has power saving mode. 89C51 microcontrollers are used for energy management, for touchscreen applications, in automobiles and in medical devices. This diagram shows the pin diagram of 89C51 microcontrollers. So generally it is 40 pin package. Another microcontroller is referred as PIC microcontroller. It supports 1 kilobytes of program memory. It also consists of watchdog timer and RAM memory banks. UART module it also has flash memory. PIC microcontrollers are used in student projects where the automation is required. Also used in central heating projects as well as for the production of temperature data logger and gas sensor projects. PIC microcontrollers are used in industry and education fields rarely. Next microcontroller is AVR microcontroller. It has 32 bytes of flash memory, 1024 bytes of EEPROM, 2 kilobytes of SRAM. It supports the 32 general purpose input-output lines and registers. It has serial programmable UART. Operating voltages of 4.5 volt to 5.5 volt. Operating frequency is of 16 MHz. These microcontrollers are used for signal sensing, data acquisition, motion control, to interface the motors and LCD display. It is used for sensor and transducer interfacing, also used in GSM, GPS interfacing, used to control and automation of industrial plants, mechanical and electrical system, used for automation of heavy machines also. One more microcontroller we are using is called as ARM processor. So it supports a RISC architecture and it is widely used in customer electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, multimedia players and other mobile devices. Thank you.